Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a vlog today and I think I'm going to run to the gym real quick because our gym is open now. I'm so excited, but I've just been like filming all morning and doing some stuff for work, so I'm gonna oh my gosh, I have one earring in. Why? I'm going to go to the gym really quickly and take off some of this makeup to go because obviously I don't want to do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go. You kind of have to make an appointment, and this is my first time going since March, so I thought it'd be funny to give you my reaction after. I'm so excited. I just cannot wait to go. Also, it's been forever since I've vlogged. I've just been doing a lot of sit-down videos lately, so I am super excited. I hope it's not too crowded because I feel like I'm gonna be so rusty. But yeah, I need to charge my AirPods, and then I'm trying to take off this necklace with one hand. Anyway, I need to charge my AirPods, and then I just had a little salad for lunch. I don't really know what I want for dinner. Maybe I'll make a smoothie or something. I'll figure it out. But going down to the gym now, I'm super excited. It's kind of late in the day, to be honest, but I'm gonna motivate myself, and I'm really excited and nervous. So I know I kind of hate that I did my hair and makeup, and then I'm just gonna kind of take it off. That's just the life, man. That is just the life. I mean, my hair will stay curled, but I haven't washed it in 2 days, so probably need to wash it today. Okay, I'm going now. I just got dressed. A little nervous. Got the water, but yeah, I'm gonna have to walk down, give them my ID, and then I don't know about the masks. I just don't know, but I have mine obviously, so we will see what the deal is. So that went well. It was fun. It was kind of interesting because my AirPods died halfway through, which is unfortunate, but it was nice. I just did walked for a little while, and then I did the Stairmaster and some weights, some deadlifts and other things, and it just felt really nice. So, and then I can just start going every day again and getting back in my routine. So I'm super happy. And then I'm just going to make dinner now. I don't really know what I want. I think I want so I feel like I've been healthy today. I feel like I can eat something unhealthy. I kind of want well, not even unhealthy, but cauliflower gnocchi, something big, you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna do cauliflower gnocchi with tomatoes. I almost said strawberries, but tomatoes and chicken sausage. That kind of sounds good, and it's just easy, you know what I mean? I don't feel like doing a ton, and I had a late lunch today, so I'm just wanting to do something quick, simple, easy, and then the rest of the night I'm gonna do a little spa night. So just do a mask, relax, take a nice hot shower, clean my hair because it's been 2 days since I've washed it, and then I'm going to put on a movie and clean my whole room, and then get in bed early, and I'm just excited, you know what I mean? I just think that sounds like a great day. So that is the plan, and it's just beautiful day. I haven't walked anywhere today, but I went to the gym, I guess, which is nice, but I feel maybe I could do an after dinner stroll. A mess. I feel every weekend my room just explodes, literally has an explosion. So okay, also I do this terrible thing right now. It actually looks okay, but that's because everything is hidden over here. I just put it all there and like hide it on the other side of my bed, which is so bad, like, and weird. Like, why am I doing that? It's like I'm like hoarding it. I'm going to clean that, throw some TV on. I've been watching a really interesting show with my boyfriend, but I don't know. Like, I've been watching, it's called, why do I always forget the name? If I remember the name, I'll put it below. Hard to watch shows together because I want to like keep watching it and watch more, and then we're not together. So I'm like, can I watch another episode? Like, but then it's like fun to watch together, so I probably won't. I'll probably watch something else, but like, sad. I don't know, maybe a movie, maybe a show, you know, whatever it may be. That's my plan for today. I just love these little things behind me. Like, the cream mirror and like the fluff just make me so happy, but I need something above my bed, and I really do not know what it's gonna be. Okay, so update, I actually made these myself, these little canvases up here, and I don't know if I could do like a video on how I made them, but basically I just did like gesso to make the texture, and then I painted over it with acrylic, and I thought these were gonna be bigger, but honestly they're like a really good size. So added those there. I have that canvas, or that like piece of art hanging up there that is from a thrift store, from like my sister grabbed it for me, and I'm still deciding if I want to hang that or not. I kind of like it leaning, but yeah, that is like the updates for art for now. Okay, so I thought maybe I'll just go ahead and do like an updated nighttime routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these that I was talking about. Let's grab a pack of those. Now I have to leave these for 10 minutes. Okay, so after I have cleansed and done all my masks and stuff, I use these products. So I'm gonna use this vitamin C cream. I use this most nights. It's just really good for when you're in the sun and just kind of need that like refresh on your skin. So yeah, it just really makes you glow. So I'm gonna use this vitamin C cream. Then I'm gonna use my skin oil, this like bio oil. Then the hyaluronic acid, which is so great for locking in moisture, you know what I mean? Like all of that. And then I use this caffeine eye cream. This is something I'm trying out, so I'm not sure if I love this yet. And then I will use my moisturizer mixed with 2 drops of this. So I will do all of that right now. Also, I just took off the eye patches, and look how much brighter it looks under there. Like, it honestly takes away some of that pigment from under your eyes. So I seriously love these skin patches. Like these little, I guess they are called skin. I meant to say eye, but you know what I mean. So they just like literally take away your dark circles. So love those. And then I'm gonna do everything else now. So I was kind of in the sun this weekend and have a little sunburn on my nose. So hopefully this will help kind of reduce the redness on that and inflammation. And then bring it down to your neck, of course, as well. Now I'm gonna do this little skin oil. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I forget which step goes first, if it's the facial oil or the hyaluronic acid, which is something I'll probably look up after I'm done with this. But massage that in, and that just like really brings some of that hydration back to my skin. This isn't necessarily my favorite one, and I've heard like mixed ingredients about this, whether it's really that great for your skin or not. But I think any sort of like face oil, you know, maybe it's not gonna be crazy good, but it's just, even just using anything on your face helps, like any sort of oil. So, well, not any oil, but I just think if it's a facial oil, I don't know. My point is, I don't know if I love this or not, but it's better than nothing. That was my point. All right, so next gonna use this little guy, which I love. It's just simple, hydrating. Oh, I'm pretty low on that. I don't know if I'll repurchase this because it's a little sticky for me, and the one that's from this brand is like really more gel-like, which is what I like, but I don't know. I know this is like the popular one, but I kind of like the other one. They're both literally like $7. They're so cheap. And then I'm going to do this. I just use it most nights, so I'm testing it. I'm gonna see if I actually like it or not. Yeah, I literally got so sunburned on my nose. But I literally always use sunscreen too, but it was just such a like hot weekend, and outdoors a lot this weekend, so probably just wore off or whatever. Okay, so the next I use these two together, a couple drops of each. This moisturizer is my absolute favorite. It like reduces redness, inflammation, and it's like super healing and soothing. And if I don't use it for like let's say like forget to use it for a weekend, I see a difference. Like this stuff is magic. Highly recommend this youth to the people. That is the final product. So I kind of have like a couple breakouts for the from the weekend, but this is the final skin after the whole routine, and I just really think those eye patches make such a difference, and I'll show you how the tan looks in the morning, but good morning. I've just been getting ready, cleaning my room, like organizing. I didn't do enough last night that I wanted to, so I still have like random things I need to put away. Like I literally just have like random things all over my room. Like why do I just have hairbrushes like everywhere? So this is my little setup, and then, but yeah, I'm just doing some work. I got some coffee from that little coffee truck downstairs. It's like a cute little coffee truck that came. So just did that, and then I might meet my sister for lunch, depending on her meetings and mine. So hopefully that will happen. But yeah, I'm just kind of chilling today. I need to edit some videos and do some work, but I don't know what I need to do. And I need like a little table for over here, which I talked about in my Instagram stories, because I just like don't have anywhere to do work. Like, well, I have my desk, but when I want to be cozy, I need like something over here. So, oh, this is still on. Maybe I'll do this while I chat. But yeah, it's kind of like a cloudy, rainy day today, which is good for like getting stuff done, to be honest. Like when it's sunny out, I like do not want to do a thing. You know what I mean? I'm like, ugh, that is kind of my plan for the day. Nothing too exciting, but I will take you along if I go to lunch with my sister, and maybe we'll just do coffee or something though. Not like I need, this keeps like moving, I'm scared. Not like I need any more coffee, but because I got a large. Look at this big guy. I got a big one. Also, I didn't know what the setup would be. I feel like places now you can't bring your own coffee cups. Like I hate the plastic, but some places won't let you bring your own cup right now because of the Rona, so a little bit sad there. I hate using plastic, but sometimes like you have to right now for like, what's it called? Sanitation reasons, you know? Also, I like never straighten my hair. Normally I just blow dry it or let it air dry, but it was especially poof today, like a big poof. Okay, so I'm off to grab Shelby and then head to coffee. So super excited. It's like just started raining though, which is a bit unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. We were gonna walk to coffee, but like, not a good idea. So yeah, we're just going to run and go do that. And then I brought my like work stuff so I can work at her place a little bit, which is gonna be nice. So yeah, I don't know if this was a very, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna say that. I am wearing a little like kind of Pinterest like little outfit today. Just wearing this white top from Gold Hinge, and then my favorite like bar sweatshirt that I wear all the time with some Levi's that I never used to wear, and now I wear like a ton. But that is what I'm wearing today. My clip, which I'll show you when I'm parked, is from Target. Actually, they had some good just like basic clips if anyone's looking for any, because I know a lot of places are actually sold out with like the clip moment, and Target has some, so sweet. And then I'm just wearing some like chunky Fila's, or not Fila's, I'm wearing some chunky Pumas that I always wear. And yeah, that's kind of my outfit today. My hands are a bit self-tanner-y, which is really unfortunate, but it's just the life, you know what I mean? Avoiding wrinkles, but looking crazy. So yeah, that's kind of my like update today. I had a nice morning, like getting some work done. I made those little breakfast tacos, which are so good. I always like just make avocado toast, so it was kind of fun to like do a breakfast taco, you know what I mean, like mix it up a little. So those turned out really well, actually. Okay, yeah, so this is my little clip from Target. It's really cute. Cinnamon Bananas Foster oatmeal. It's like a tub of oatmeal. It's like a pint with little bananas in there. There's Shelby eating her sandwich. Like, this is so heavy. I like, look at that shell with bananas on top.
Whoa.
Cinnamon bananas, like yum. There's Franklin. Franklin, excuse me. With his big paws, you're so cute. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that, and let me know kind of like what you guys like to see in vlogs, or if you prefer like sit down videos, just let me know, because I will do whatever y'all want to see, or even like a little mix, you know what I mean, mix of both. So, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.